All right, do you like chicken fried rice? Do you like pork fried rice? Do you like any fried rice at all? Then you came to the right spot. Because today, I'm going to show you how to make the best pork fried rice on this Blackstone griddle that you've ever made before. So let's jump into the cook. Okay, we're getting ready to do our pork fried rice, but first we gotta chop up our veggies and we gotta chop up our pork. We're gonna do some onion here, so make sure you cut at the root here. Cut on the other side as well. And then I cut that bad boy in half. It makes it easier, nice and sliced when you're trying to get all the excess off of your onion. Makes it nice and quick, as you can see. Peel that bad boy right off, and you are ready to chop. And then when you're chopping, make sure what I do is I do small cuts right here on this side. And makes it nice and fine. Obviously watch your fingers, you don't want to cut them off because that would hurt. And it would make a different video altogether. It would be bloopers from cooking, which we're not doing. We're making pork fried rice today. No hospital visits. The wife doesn't want to take me. But I'm going to chop it all the way to the side here. Then take two cuts. One in the middle, one up top. Kind of go far back. And then lean into it. Chop, chop, chop. Real simple. A lot of people don't know how to do that. And you get your chopped onion right there. Nice and easy chopped onion. Get your sides, let's put that over there. Try not to cry. Do the same thing here. Get our onions pulled over. Our rice we cooked the night before, so you're going to want to cook that the night before. You don't have to. What's just the way we do it. Makes it a little bit cleaner and easier. Make sure when you're washing your rice, you keep doing it so you get all the dust and dirt off your rice, and it's easier and easier to cook. All right, let's get this onion chopped. Same kind of idea, just this side and this side. Makes it super easy. And hey, while I'm chopping the onion, I do want to say thanks for all the subscribers on the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications on so you get your weekly cooks. We got a lot more food coming, and I appreciate all the support. All right, make sure we do our 2 slits into here. Remember, don't forget. You're going to lean in. There we go. More onion for our pork fried rice. I love pork fried rice. People do chicken. I've done chicken. I just like pork better. All right, so we got our onion. That's all ready to go. All right, let's put our onion in a bowl and set that aside so we have that for later in our cook. And then we're going to chop up our pork chop. Make that a little bit easier. We're going to season it and we're going to get it all chopped. So let's get to chopping. All right, let's chop up our pork chops. Get them ready to go. We got little thicky thicks here. Yeah, look at that pork chop, nice and thick, yummy, yummy. We're gonna cut that up into small pieces. Let's get it all chopped up. I like to chop it up into pieces, makes it easier to cook on the Blackstone and faster, because you know people want fast, easy, simple meals. This one can be. This is a good way to prep though. Make sure you get your pork chops all nice and cut up. Pork chops aren't too spendy either. We paid $15 for a couple pounds of pork chop. Make sure your knife is sharp and easy handle there. You don't want to cut your hand off, because that would be bad. But you want to get that really nice and easy cut on there. And set that aside. We're going to cut a bunch of these, and then we're going to get them all seasoned up. And I will show you how we season them. It's nice and easy to do before we go cooking on that griddle. We're gonna make sure we get that nice, good season on them, and then we'll get a nice sear. And then you will be very surprised when you make this at your house how flavorful this meal is going to be. Your family is going to love it. I have 1,000 kids at my house, okay, maybe 5, and they all love when Dad starts cooking the pork fried rice. They come running. Even the 16-year-old who hides in their room when they're not home, when they're home, she comes running as well. So let's get over to our seasoning. All right, let's put it in our bowl. I like to throw it in this kind of bowl, and we're gonna mix it all up. So we're gonna put it in here, and then we're gonna take our olive oil. We're gonna drip it right on top, this bad boy right here. All right, we're gonna use our Kinders on here. If you haven't used it before, it's amazing. I'm gonna use this blend on the pork chops. So we got our olive oil on there. Let's put our Kinders on there. All right, let's put our Kinders on there. Get it nice and seasoned. You know, it's kind of funny. When I was a kid, I don't remember my mom using all these seasonings for everything. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Is it just me, or did everybody's mom just kind of make basic meals and they didn't use a lot of seasoning and spice? I don't remember having this much access to seasoning and spice when I was a little kid. I don't remember. I mean, we've only made like 4 different meals in my house. So, But all right, we got all that spiced up, ready to go. And now we're gonna put it on the grill. Look at that, yummy, yummy. Let's go cook. All right, let's get cooking on the Blackstone, shall we? We're gonna start with a little bit of oil. Put that down with our pork chops. We wanna get them going. Yeah, there you go. Hear that sizzle. Gotta mix that up. That on there. Get that going. Then we're gonna add in our vegetables with a little bit of butter. All right, let's add in our vegetables on this side with a little bit of butter. Got some peas and some carrots. Yummy, yummy. We're gonna throw on our onion. And we're gonna throw on our broccoli that we also just cooked. We cut up. We're gonna put our broccoli, a little bit of broccoli in there as well. We got that going. Got our butter. Now we're gonna mix it all together, get our veggies cooking. We're gonna add our rice last because that'll cook the fastest. So this time we got our broccoli, we got our carrots, we got our peas, we got our onions, and we got our pork all cooking, ready to go. All right, let's add our garlic in there as well. We're gonna put a little garlic with our vegetables. Can never have enough garlic. Mix that up as well. Get that nice flavor. You can also throw in a little bit of the salt and pepper garlic blend with our veggies. You can throw in a little bit of salt and pepper blend with our veggies as well. We're going to hit that up. There we go. All right. Mix that up. We're going to let that cook down. We're going to let our pork cook, and then we'll get started on our rice. All right, we made room for our rice. Let's put our rice on, and we're going to get all of our cooked rice here on the right side. That's why I love the Blackstone Griddle. You can cook multiple things at once. It makes it a little bit quicker for everything. We want this rice to get nice and crispy. It's sat overnight, so it should be dried out, but we're gonna fill it up and make it nice and crispy. All right, let's put some sesame seed oil on the rice and some teriyaki. Get a little bit of that in there. Don't go too crazy. Get that nice in color, that nice smell too. You can smell it. Let's put that teriyaki on there. We're gonna put the teriyaki on the pork as well. Get that glaze going on the pork. All right, we're gonna put our soy on as well into the rice. We'll put a little bit of that. Got it all cooked up. All right, we're gonna mix our rice together. Gonna get that all chopped up in there. Get that nice color. Get our rice nice and toasty. We don't want a mushy rice. That's why you let it sit overnight. Get our pork. Get that nice glaze going on our pork. And we got our veggies cooking in the middle. Gonna let that cook for a few more minutes, and then we're gonna bring it all together. All right, we got our rice cooking. Now we're gonna make a nice little pocket in here. We're gonna put our eggs right in the center. We're gonna crack them right there. We're gonna crack them right here in the center of our rice. Right there, a little pocket. Because you gotta have egg, and this makes it nice and easy to keep them under control and cook them. So they're gonna cook pretty good. We wanna get in here and just kind of mix them. Still creating our little pocket with our rice. Get them right to that burner. Let them cook up. And then we'll give it a few more minutes and we'll mix it all together. All right, we got our eggs cooking with our rice. Let's mix that in. Real simple. It's got toasty rice. And then we're gonna bring this all together. So let's come in the middle here. Kumbaya. We're gonna mix it all together. Get it all, that flavor of that grill right on there. All together. Get our pork fried rice. All right, we're going to add on the rest of our soy. So get our soy in there. We're gonna add in our little ABC secret sauce, as I call it. It's a sweeter soy. It's a little bit thicker. We're gonna put it all on that bad boy. Nice and coated in there. We're gonna use the rest of it on this cook. You get it at Amazon, it's amazing. All right, and then we're gonna mix it all together again. Really getting that toasty rice. Getting all that mix, all the veggies. This is a good way to get your kids to eat vegetables too, because you saw the veggies I cooked in here. You got your veggies, you got your rice, you got your protein, you got your carbs, you got it all mixed in. And then you got your pork fried rice. We're gonna take this off and let's get to eating, huh? Let's do that. All right, let's take this bite. I got to eat this thing. We just made it. It's gotta eat it, I gotta eat it. Here we go, first bite, here we go. This is so good. That pork and the rice and the soy and the sweet. Just explodes in your mouth. This is so good. Leave a comment down below, guys. Let me know if you make this for your family. And I appreciate you sticking around to the end of the cook. And I'll catch you in the next cook. Thanks.